what's up, folks? It's your boy DT 2.0, and today we have a quick unboxing and installation of the official PS5 console cover in Cosmic Red. Now, I wanted to get the black, but they were sold out. I didn't jump online in time because I actually forgot that they were going to get released, even though they sent me all kind of emails. But, you know how you are in your email. Sometimes you mark them off and then you don't get back to them because I got a whole bunch of... Anyway, I had got stuck with the red, but the good thing about the red is it kind of flows with what my desk looks like, my entire setup looks like. But the only thing is this red, and I don't know if you can see the difference between this red and this red. This one has a little bit more burgundy to it than actual blood red. Yeah, we'll go with that. Blood red here, and a little bit more burgundy red. And I guess that's why they call it Cosmic Red. Anyway, if I wanted to get another color outside of the list of colors that they had, I would have went through D brand, which I actually had some in my which I had some in my cart, but they quickly went offline, I guess, because of the Sony lawsuit that they had against them to stop making their covers, and that's what pretty much gave us a hint that Sony was coming out with their own. D brand redesigned theirs to actually make the PlayStation 5 look smaller, but then those went on back order, and I was back to getting this Cosmic Red one. So it is what it is. So this is the official cover. I'll obviously buy the box. And to be honest with you, to say this is just two pieces of plastic in here, this box got some pretty good weight to it. So when I pulled it out, the big ass box that it came in, this one I was kind of confused by how heavy it was. But I assume that there's a box inside of a box, which makes this even heavier. So with that being said, let me just STFU open this thing up and let y'all see how it looks. And then I'll cut it and then install it. Let's do it. So as you can see, this box looks exactly like the PlayStation box, the PlayStation 5 box, the PlayStation headphones box, the PlayStation controller box, all of the boxes in the PlayStation 5 line. Come on, man, you playing. You know what, let's just do this. All right, one here, and one here, with some trusty, dusty instructions. All right, so we'll look at those in a minute. Put those over there. So let's just see how this Cosmic Red looks outside of what it looks like on the box. So obviously this is the top, as you can tell by the PlayStation logo, and I'm feeling it. To be honest with you, it is matte, not easily. Oh, I put some. Oh, okay, those scratches came off easy. I was about to say, oh shit. Anyway, the big difference between this one and the other one, not much. But we'll pull the other one off and see. So this is the top. Now let's look at this bottom one. And that's the bottom one. And again, I got the disc version if I didn't say it before. So, so overall, they do feel a little flimsy. But then again, it could be worse. So those are your top and bottom. Now let me cut and go ahead and install these things. My first order of business is, looking at these directions, and it says remove the top cover by pulling it up slightly in the direction of the arrow. And what I did was I just took this corner right here and just ripped it up. And it didn't even snap or anything. It's kind of like slid off. And then here is your top cover. Yeah, looks like a little pearl to that when you really put it under a light. Anyway. And then here's our Cosmic Red. All right. Attach the new top cover by firmly pushing it in the direction of the arrow until you hear a click. So we're going to pull it right there. Boom. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. It clicked loud and it clicked fast. All right, let me turn this thing over. So after turning over your PS5 console, replace the bottom cover. Remove the bottom cover slightly by pulling out in the direction of the arrow. And if you look right here on the instructions, it actually shows you what corner to pull. Right, so we're going to try that. This is the console edition. So what I'm going to do is Pull that up. And then see what it happens. One more time. All right, so just know when you pull, don't pull up, but pull to the up and then to the back. And when you do that, it just pops right off, no clicks or no nothing, right? And as you can see, you got the PS5 skeleton in here, this drive here, fan here, and then we're gonna put on the bottom cover. Same deal, put it in position as best as possible. And then snap it in, and it's in there like swimwear. And that, folks, let's clear it off. Oh man, I kind of like that. I kind of like the way that looks. Ooh, wait a minute. Let me give y'all a few shots of that. So there we are, folks. The Cosmic Red PS5 official cover, and it looks great. I'm not gonna lie. Would I have liked it to be the same color as this red on here? Yeah, but you know what? That's wishful thinking in general. That's probably why they call it Cosmic Red. It does have a little burgundy in it if you really look at it, if the camera can translate that. Would I have liked to have seen other colors that they have in this cover? Of course. But that's why D-Brand's making their own. And that's why D-Brand stopped making these official ones, because Sony made them stop. But now they're probably on a mission to kill. And I also like the fact that the D-Brand ones have that sticker that goes over here in the strip in the middle that likes to hide these fingerprints, because this thing is a dust and fingerprint magnet. And also it scratches really easy. If you can see those scratches, I did nothing to this thing but wipe it off, but there's scratches on there too. So I will be buying something to cover that up to really make my PS5 unique. Anyway, thanks for watching, folks. If you have any questions, hit me in the comments. This your boy DT 2.0. Stay safe, stay healthy, and deuces. Peace.